so today it's the moment to do the giveaway to pick up the winner. So let's go.
Hold on. And then we're going to use a picker wheel, and then we put all the names on the side, and then we type it on here, and then it's gonna be all here now. And then Sebastian is going to pick the winner for the
Klein
card case. Yes. Okay, so this is for that. Go ahead, baby.
Ta-da-da-dum.
Oh, in the chow! Woohoo! In the chow, you're a winner of the Calvin Klein card holder.
Congratulations!
Yay! Okay, for the second one, done. Okay.
So now we'll pick up the second winner for this giveaway.
The bum bag. This one is for the bum bag. And then, let's see. Who is our lucky winner? Oh, Juanita Naomi Reynoso. Woot woot!
Yeah.
You won a bum bag.
Thank you for everybody to try to participate on this game, and sorry for the ones they didn't win anything. For next time, thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. We'll see you again in the next video. Congratulations for all the winners. Yay.